This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal first before disconnecting the positive cable. Flip up the protective cover if equipped, then loosen the nut and disconnect the positive cable from the battery. Remove the battery hold-down clamp from the battery. Carefully lift the battery out of the battery tray. Always keep the battery in an upright position to reduce the possibility of electrolyte spills. If you spill electrolyte on yourself or the vehicle, rinse it off immediately with plenty of water. Install the battery into the tray. Also, make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. Install the battery hold-down clamp. The clamp fasteners should be evenly snug, but over-tightening them may damage the battery case. Do not use power tools when tightening the clamp at its final stage. Connect the battery cable for the positive terminal first, tightening the bolt securely. If equipped, secure the positive terminal cover over the terminal. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolt securely.